Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2021 F-150 XLT in Oxford White with dark slate cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4, and it has the XTR package, which adds a little bling with chrome bumper, tow hooks, running board, handles, and fender. It also has a backup camera, as well as a max trailer tow package, which includes a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have your electronic parking brake, lighting controls, LED high mount, LED side view mirrors, tailgate release. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of the running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, or cruise control I should say, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear. As well, you have a menu that you can toggle through: my view, trip view, fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic shifter is the select shift, and in the center there's a little cubby up above, as well as auto stop start. There's your camera view, hazard lights, traction control. And when we go back in, we can go into our sources. And again, this is just a touch screen, so AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You're seeing the navigation off to the side there. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're gonna see our backup camera view in there. There you go. We're just gonna get ourselves back into park. And you have your settings you can slide through for different options, your connectivity, your valet mode, voice control display, all of that good stuff. You also have your features, and in there is your owner's manual. This red stripe is just a protective covering, so don't worry about that. That'll come off. Volume and tuner, and you have your dual climate control with digital display, heated seats for both driver and passenger, AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost, USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt little cubby down below. You've got your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with locking differential. Then in the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you also have a bin in there, lots of room. Flip the seat up, you've got another seating position. It's got a seat belt. You can unclip underneath, and lots of room down there. And then off to the side is your 12-volt. You also have a 120 and locking glove compartment. You also have a glove compartment up top. It's just a touch of the button, and then that closes right up. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that button's for. And there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and the backup camera is just above that handle. Backup sensors on your bumper. You have the max trailer tow package, which includes a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to bring down that tailgate, double click your fob, or you can release it from inside. And you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And one of the newest features is the ability to put clamps on the end of your tailgate. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift the seat up. That gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring the seat back down, simply pull the tab again. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as a couple of cup holders. There's a grab handle in the body, lights and hooks on the side, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered and heated side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.